Hello guys, in this video we're going to cover the best Victorinox watches based on specifications. I included all the link in video description below. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to receive more amazing content like this. Number 6. Victorinox INOX Professional Diver Titanium. It features a titanium case and band and a Swiss quartz movement. It is water resistant up to 200 meters and is suitable for diving. It meets the ISO 6425 standard for dive watches. It has a date function, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and it's protected against magnetic fields. The watch has a black dial with luminescent hands and hour markers with a sporty and modern look. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision Watch. Case thickness 8 mm, class buckle, collection night vision, dial color blue, crystal material sapphire, display type analog, case shape round, item weight 200 grams, model number night vision, band color blue, band material rubber, band width 15, bezel material stainless steel, case diameter 42 mm, case material stainless steel. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Airbus Mechanical Chronograph Watch. Dial type analog, luminescent hands and markers, date display at the 6 o'clock position, chronograph 3 subdials displaying 60 second, 30 minute and 12 hour, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case back, round case shape, case size 45 mm, bandwidth 22 mm, fold over clasp, water resistance at 100 meters, functions chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army INOX Red Rubber Watch. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap, fixed stainless steel bezel, dial type analog, luminescent hands and markers, date display between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions, quartz movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown, solid case back, round case shape, case size 43 mm, case thickness 14 mm, band width 21 mm, band length 8 inches, ton clasp, water resistance at 200 meters. Number 2. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's INOX Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet, dial type analog, luminescent hands and markers, date display between 4 and 5 o'clock position, Ronda caliber 715, quartz movement, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown, solid case back, round case shape, case size 43 mm, case thickness 13.85 mm, band width 22 mm, fold over clasp with a safety release, water resistance at 200 meters. Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's Maverick Chronograph Watch. Bandwidth 22 mm, band color silver, dial color blue, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function unidirectional, calendar date, item weight 1.5 pounds, movement Swiss quartz, water resistant depth 330 feet, item shape round, dial window material type sapphire crystal, display type analog, clasp double lock and fold over clasp, case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 mm, case thickness 13 mm,